Hello friends, in today's video we will have a look to a two-dimensional lookup using index and match, commonly known as index and match, and sometimes people call it match and index as well. However, I would like you to have attention towards this note. It says that XLOOKUP is the alternate in higher version of MS Office. The same result which I am going to tell you, you can get using XLOOKUP as well if you are in higher version of MS Office, which I will cover in another video. Here we will just see index and match. Let's go to the sample data. You can see here is the data where you have got products, where you have got months in the column, products in the rows. And what I need is, I need for D product for the month of February, how much are my units? You can see this 77 is coming up. So it's a dynamic formula which I have already put here. It's called as index formula supported by matches. So if I change this change happens. I will revert back for the time being. Now going to the formula. This is the index function. I will display the comment. Actually, this is the index function. As a main function, it is index and it is supported by two match functions. Let's understand in a better way. So you need to first of all understand the index formula. So what I will do is I will put index formula here to get this result 77 here. So the moment I open index, it asks for array. I give this array. Then I need to give the row number and column number, and intersection of these both will give the desired result. So here, if you see, for arriving 77, I need to give fourth row 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth, then I will give the column number as 1 and 2. You see here, you get the desired result. So, but this formula is not dynamic. Here you have punched in 4 and 2. So making it dynamic, for making it dynamic, we will use match function. Here what I am going to do, first of all, I am building index function to make you understand. And then I will let you know how to make this 4 as dynamic, 2 as dynamic, and then combine the whole formula to get this. Okay, continuing now. So now I need to get row number. The result as 4. How I will get it? I need to put formula of match, then look up value. What value I'm looking for? I'm looking for D. Then look up array. I'm looking in this range. Array means which range? Then match type. Match type should be exact match. You can see here 1 0 minus 1. So I will give 0. So I get a 4 here. The moment I change, it changes. For that. Okay. So now I will give a formula for columns. Again match. Look up value. What I'm looking for? I'm looking for February. Look up array. Where I am looking for? I'm looking here, comma, exact match. You see here, it is 4 and 2 for me. Now, now I will combine this formula. Combine this formula. I will just copy the first part and then I will copy this formula and will replace by this 4. Then enter. Now I will copy this formula and will replace. Now it's dynamic. Same formula I have got here as well. You can see same result. However, this long process was to make you understand about the formula so that you can make it yourself. Thank you for watching the video.